Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple iced tea. First, gather your favorite tea, whether it's bags or loose leaf. Next, bring 2 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once the water is ready, add your tea and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This steeping time is key to getting the perfect strength and flavor for your delicious iced tea. After steeping, carefully remove the tea bags or strain out the loose leaf tea. While the tea is still warm, this is the perfect time to stir in any sugar or sweetener you prefer, ensuring it dissolves completely. Finally, add about 2 cups of cold water or a generous amount of ice to cool it down quickly. This step helps prevent cloudiness and gets your tea ready for enjoyment. Now for the best part, serving. Pour your perfectly chilled iced tea over a glass filled with fresh ice. For a classic touch, garnish with a slice of lemon or a sprig of fresh mint. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can experiment with different fruits, herbs, or even a pinch of spices to discover your unique favorite flavor combinations. Enjoy your refreshing drink. For maximum convenience, consider making a larger batch of iced tea to store in your refrigerator for a few days. Remember, you can always adjust the tea's strength and sweetness to perfectly match your personal preference. Feel free to experiment with different tea types too. And speaking of great reads, be sure to check the description below for some fantastic deals, including a link to an amazing e-reader for all your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.